Eh, ang bagal na naman.
Ang bigat nila eh.
Hayaan mo na. Ito si Jade eh. Go, go, go! Faster!
Walking down. Jade's walking up. Guys, she was chasing after us, and she's walking up right now.
Okay. Kapit! Punta mo muna nga si Jade eh. Diyos ko. Do the zip line. Hey. Are you doing the zip line? Okay, go pick up Jade, Gracie. Do the zip line.